Good afternoon. You are watching IMCS News with me, Gaurav Gupta. Let's take a quick look at the headline first. IMCS completes 7th year of its achievements. Amar Singh admitted to AIIMS. Bank of America plans to cut about 30,000 jobs. God is great, tweets Modi after Supreme Court verdict. Djokovic beats Nadal to win maiden US Open. Now, news in details. Renowned Center of MCRP University completes 7 years. During the period, many new pages of achievements were written in the history of IMCS. Faculty and the student together celebrated the day with a lot of enthusiasm, and student of IMCS conveyed a message on the occasion.
एक मैसेज सबसे मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि एक इंसान का जो कंपटीशन होता है ना, वो खुद से होता है। अगर आपने खुद को जीत लिया तो आपने जग जीत लिया। डू बेटर, गो बेटर। दिस इज द मैसेज।
Rajya Sabha member and the former Samajwadi Party leader Amar Singh was admitted on Monday evening to AIIMS by Tihar Jail authorities for a kidney-related problem. According to the sources at the hospital, Singh was admitted in a private ward. For further details, let's move to our correspondent.
I'm standing near All India Institute of Medical Sciences, where the new entrant of Tihar Jail, Mr. Amar Singh, has been admitted on Monday evening. Ever since the arrest, he has been complaining of his ill health and has been given proper medical treatment at his disposal. Now the dilemma is, if he recovers soon, he has to go back to Tihar, and if he wants to stay back, he has to pray for a slower recovery. Camera person Aribam, me Monitipa, IMCS News, Delhi.
Bank of America is to cut 30,000 jobs over the next few years as part of a cost-cutting program. The cuts represent about 10% of the company's workforce. Bank of America wants to save about $5 billion a year as it slimmed down the bank that was hit hard by the subprime mortgage crisis. Gujarat CM Narendra Modi on Monday thanked God after the Supreme Court verdict directing a trial court to hear a petition against him in the killing of former MP Ehsan Jafri. In the 2002 riots, God is great, Modi tweeted on the microblogging site Twitter. The apex court order came after a petition filed by Zakia Jafri, the widow of Ehsan Jafri, urging a probe into Modi's role in the Gulbarg Society carnage, and the trial of the case by a special court outside the state BJP leader Sushma Swaraj congratulated Modi, saying truth has won. More than 200 people have died and millions remain affected after 2 weeks of flooding in Pakistan's southern Sindh province. The situation is worsening each day as water levels are rising because of poor drainage. The head of Pakistan Disaster Management Body said the UN has begun relief work, but more rain has been forecast for the area. Meanwhile, in India's eastern Orissa state, more than 1 million have been displaced and 16 killed in floods. About 2,600 villages have been submerged across 19 districts. The Army and Navy have been called in to help as many villagers are still stranded and dependent on food drops from helicopters. Now let's move to sports news. Serbia Novak Djokovic outplayed Spain's Rafael Nadal to win the US Open final at Flushing Meadows on Monday and show why he really is the hottest player in the game right now. The world number 1 produced a masterful display of tactics and precision, then regained his composure after failing to serve out the match in the third set to seal victory after 4 hours and 10 minutes. The win provided Djokovic with his first US Open title after he had twice been beaten in the final, including last year's decider against Nadal and his third Grand Slam this year after having won the Australian Open and Wimbledon. That's all for news today. Thank you and have a good day.